Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to say about today's topic. Today's topic is management and the process of management. So first of all, I would like to say about management. What is management? Management is a challenging of creating environment where people work together to achieve a common objective. एक ऐसा इन्वायरमेंट जिसमें लोग मिलजुल के काम करें, कोऑर्डिनेशन करें और कोशिश उनकी हो कि किसी एक पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्टिव को हासिल करने की कोशिश करें एफिशिएंटली एंड इफेक्टिवली. इट इज़ अ कॉन्सेप्ट, टेक्निक or process in which enable goals to be achieved efficiently or effectively. So management is a process through which we can achieve common objective. Management has 5 functions. A manager must have to follow these functions and to achieve these functions efficiently. And the first function is planning. What is planning? Predetermined task, any task in by which we can achieve future objectives. These include methods, techniques, what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. These all questions are included in planning. So planning is the process in which we achieve future objective. All methods are included in this process. The second function of manager is organizing. Organizing creates management, in which we have to select a particular objective and divide it into different tasks according to the staff or members of the organization. These tasks and objective should be accomplished according to skillful person or staff members efficiently or effectively. In other words, organizing is the basic objective in which we can achieve different or big tasks in a small segments according to staff. So the third function of manager is staffing. What is meant by staffing? Hiring or firing of employees is called, of a candidate, a suitable candidate is called staffing, in which there is a training for employee and their compensation and their determination of the need of the organization. We have to know about the determination and need of the organization, and then we have to proceed other objectives. Then the other objective, the fourth one objective of management is leading or directing. What is meant by leading or directing? Leading is from the leader. In other words, a leader or a director must have a guideline or to explain all the things, how to prepare, how to manage these things according to the organization objective. So all the guiding or motivating functions are included in directing. And the last function is controlling. Controlling is one of the most important function of management. How? Because controlling tells about the standard of the objective. In other words, a manager must have to establish a particular objective or a particular task, and then the objective is the work is compared with this objective. If the work is done accordingly, then it's mean you are controlled. Otherwise, if the work is not accordingly, then it has some correction deviations. These correction deviations mentioned about the correctness or must be correct in future. Otherwise, it will help. It will maybe possible. It will demolish all the planning, organizing, staffing, or directing So controlling is one of the leading objective, leading function, including planning, organizing, staffing, and directing. So all these functions, I would like to say again, that planning, organizing, staffing, leading or directing, same thing, and controlling, these all functions include in the process of management. So the management process has to be completed when these objective, these functions are performed efficiently or effectively. Thank you.